Some basic accommodations that you should be aware of for classroom usage with children who are deaf or hard of hearing might include cochlear implants, hearing aids, having an ASL interpreter, preferential seating, reverberation reduction, visual aids, buddy system, FM, frequency modulated system, captioning, or text messaging. The cartoon I included on this paper I thought was appropriate because of our culture being accepting of people wearing glasses, but the same is not always true for hearing aids. We need to be more accepting and teach others about this. The cartoon says, wearing hearing aids is no different than wearing glasses. Yet only 1 out of 5 people who can benefit from hearing aids actually wear them.